Did you know you can create a kid's coloring book even if you don't know how to draw at all? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a kid's coloring book using Canva in a simple and fun way that anyone can follow. If you enjoy easy tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more videos on creating digital products and monetizing your skills. So to create our coloring book in Canva, we first go to Canva AI, and then we press on image since we're creating an image, and then we go to style. As you can see, there are many styles to choose from, and I think like this one. And then we're going to the size since we're creating a book, a page. Well, we're going to go by using 3.4 ratio, and from there we're going to describe the instructions what we need Canva AI to create, and then let's see what it's going to create for us. So Canva always gives you 4 options to choose from. So let's see what it's going to create for us. Okay, so it's done, and this is what it has for me. So from these different options, I'm going to choose this one. That's the one that I like. It looks clean. So you can choose to edit it from here, or you can choose to download it from here. So I'm gonna choose to edit it from here, and then it takes you to Canva editor, and then we're gonna remove the background. So after we remove the background, we're gonna add some text. Since it's an alphabet book, we don't need it to be plain. It needs to have some text in it. So we're going to type in what we want for the text. So A is for apple, and then we are going to adjust it. You can adjust it to make it bigger or small, and then you can just align it so that it'll be in the middle. And then after that, we're going to change the font that is kid friendly. So we're going to use this one. Hey, it's for apple. So we're going to go to effects. And then we go to hollow because we want them to be able to color the letters as well. So that's done. It looks nice. It looks clean. So the first page is done. Now we're going to add another page. And then from here, we're going to copy the text. And we're going to go to the next page, and we're going to paste that. And then we're going to change the text to B is for banana. So I've already created a banana in Canva AI. So from here, I'm just going to add a banana. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to effects and remove the black text. And then from here, I'm going to go to uploads, and I'm going to upload a banana that I made in Canva AI. And then we're just going to adjust it to make it a little bit bigger. And now it looks good. We're just going to align it. So from there, we have the third page. Now we're going to go to Canva AI, and we're also going to create another character. So now we're going to create a cat. So we're going to paste in the prompt, and then we're going to see what it's going to make for us. So again, it's going to give us 4 different options to choose from. Oh, so these are the cats that it came up with, but I don't really like any of them. So I'm going to redo it again. I'm going to copy the prompt again, and then from there, I'm going to click and see what it's going to give me next. So let's see if it's going to come up with anything that I like. So still waiting. Oh, so this is what it came out with. And I think I like this one with the pink ears. It looks really cute. From here, I'm just going to download it. I'm going to download it here, and then I'm just going to go back to Canva editor, and then I'm going to paste the text again, and then I'm going to change it to C is for cat. And then from here, we are going to upload our cat that we made in Canva AI. Oh, that looks good. And then we're just going to adjust it. So we just adjust it to make it a little bit bigger. And then after that, right, okay, like this, that looks good. So after that, so this is our book, our coloring book. So when you're done, you just go to share, and then you click on download, and from there you go here, and then you choose PDF print, and then you download your book. So